Hey there, my beautiful hair friends. This is Erica, and while I was out of work, somebody gave her a foliage, and I could just see this line. It is never like a hand-painted balayage. So we are going to hand paint her, but I have to take care of this line. So I have to go in and paint some low lights, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to go in and paint her balayage. We're using Sunlight's balayage with Olaplex and Oligo Calura gloss for her low lights. Going in and painting some heavy singles and V's throughout her hair. I am doing ribbons off her part because I want bold pieces. Because guys, we're not going blonde today. We're doing something fun and funky. And I am so excited for Erica to do something different. So after we're done painting this, we're going to rinse, stop oxidation, shampoo her, blow dryer. And now I'm doing her roots to kind of blend her gray together. We don't do a full coverage. We do a demi just to blend her roots away. And I'm using Magic's Pure Shades on her ends in the Sun Glitz, which is a pinky fuchsia color, and this Energy Mousse. And we're just going to comb that through. Now you guys could see the saturation I'm using. Look how beautiful this came out, guys. Absolutely a stunner. So guys, if you enjoy my content, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And the link is in the bio. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.